So now that you've got your instruments placed and everything's in the right order, you've got things numbered and assigned to their focus areas and all of that information. And you could do this at any point, but when you're ready to do your paperwork, just go to the Spotlight menu, go to Reports, and click the Generate Paperwork option. That will bring up a dialog box here. And then you need an instrument schedule and a channel hookup. So go ahead and tick those first two boxes. You can set those up here to move the columns into a different place. So for example, for the channel hookup, I want to make sure that the circuit number and the channel are close to each other on there. And otherwise I can accept the defaults and I'll click OK. You can enter designer information, event name, and so on here if you want to customize the paperwork. But when I click OK, Vectorworks is now going to take everything that's on the drawing and put it into a spreadsheet. I can access that spreadsheet by going to Window, Worksheets, and here is my instrument schedule. So now it's created this worksheet that shows all of the instruments that are being used and any information that I have about them. So you could go ahead and print from here. It's not terribly useful. It doesn't come out of Vectorworks looking very nice. So what I'd like to do is export the worksheet. I'll use comma separated file format. I'll do all of the rows here and I'll click OK. It's going to ask me to save this, and I could say all worksheet files, but I found the easiest way to do this is to go by now a comma delimited one and save that now to my folder. When I've saved it now to my folder, I can open that now in Excel or in Sheets or in some other spreadsheet format so that I can pretty up the data and make sure that everything looks good. One thing you want to pay attention to is that you've got column headings on each page so that it's easy for the electricians to find the information that they need, and that there's ample space for the information in terms of column width. And that is pretty much how you could tackle that. You do the same thing then for your hookup, export it to Excel or to Sheets, doctor it up, and it's ready to submit as a PDF.